Hello everyone, I'm Vishwas. Hope you all are doing good. This week, there are huge openings in Amazon across multiple locations. As Amazon has already declared work from home until next year, I would say this will be a great opportunity for the people who are looking for these type of jobs. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on bell icon for more videos on latest job openings. Without any delay, let's get started with today's video. Amazon is hiring for catalog quality analyst role. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required, 30 vacancies, location Bangalore. Roles and responsibilities: follow predefined process, guidelines and SOPs to perform audit tasks to meet required level of accuracy and productivity. Demonstrate excellent time management skills and ability to work independently while using guidelines and SOPs. Ability to make logical decisions while auditing tasks and dealing with ambiguity. Thoroughly check product details to ensure accuracy and completeness of the data. Analyze data and identify new trends. Eligibility criteria: education, any graduation. Good communication skills, both verbal and written, is required. Freshers can apply for this role. Only immediate joiners should apply for this role. Preferred qualifications: proficient in American English. Candidate must demonstrate language proficiency in all the following: verbal, written, reading and comprehension. Strong working knowledge of basic computer business applications such as MS Word, MS Excel, Outlook is required. Amazon is hiring for SPS associate role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, 100 vacancies, location Hyderabad, salary 2,75,000 to 3,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants including the appropriate escalation of seller issues. Basic qualifications: bachelor degree in any stream with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication skills in English is required. Shifts: the job involves working in 24/7 environment including night shifts, and the shifts are decided based on the business requirement. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. 2020 passwords are not eligible for this role. Amazon is hiring for tester associate role. Job highlights: 0 to 1 year of experience required, location Chennai, salary 2,25,000 to 2,50,000 per annum. Job description: execute test plans and test cases, creating test data and reporting results in a timely, clear and concise manner. Should be able to understand the functionality of the project or product. Should have ability to stay connected with changing requirements and documentation. Should be able to actively look for gaps in test cases and look beyond test cases for issues or bugs. Should execute process to thoroughly test product changes. Should be agile and be responsive to changing priorities in projects and be quick at changing course of testing. Roles and responsibilities: execute test cases for small simple components or feature related apps, services or devices to ensure they are operating and designed. Basic qualifications: BE, BTech, Masters of Computer Applications, BSc, BCA, MSc Information Technology. Only candidates who are in Chennai should apply for this role. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for FinOps analyst role. Job highlights: 2 to 5 years of experience in accounts receivables. 10 vacancies, location Pune, salary 3 lakh to 4,50,000 per annum. Summary of responsibilities: understanding of account receivable process. Post daily receipts, wires or ACH checks and credit or debit memos on a timely basis in order to ensure accurate maintenance of accounts receivable balances. Contact customer collections and business partner to obtain remittance details. Identify and manually tag all customer remit discrepancies and short payments. Undertake tasks as requested by the team leader that may involve testing and process improvement. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for data associate, Hindi. Job highlights: 0 to 3 years of experience required, location Hyderabad, salary 2,50,000 to 3 lakh per annum. Job description: Amazon is hiring for data associates in Hyderabad team to undertake labeling functions such as transcription, annotation and dialogue evaluation on speech and text data to assess and improvement Alexa performance. Roles and responsibilities. Work with text, speech and other types of data and attach tags to the contents at scale. Deliver high quality of labeled data, guidelines to meet specific key performance indicators. Report issues with tools and software to the development team whenever necessary. Provide feedback for improvements to existing tools that can increase labeling throughout the quality. What we offer: attractive and competitive salary, opportunity to work in world-class organization, experience required 0 to 2.5 years. Immediate joiners should only apply for this role. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for automation analyst role. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 30 vacancies, location Bangalore, salary 3 lakh to 3,75,000 per annum. Job description: in this role, associates are required to understand different operational techniques and have high level of attention to detail. Accuracy of processing is utmost importance, followed by speed. He or she should consistently deliver results that meet or exceed expectations and understands how the business operates and suggests improves the process. This role would report into the operations manager. Key responsibilities: meet and or exceeds the set productivity and accuracy targets, participating in ad hoc operational projects initiatives, understand operational goals, vision, charter and process steps. Eligibility criteria: any BE, BTech, MCA, MSc or similar course in computer science or information technology stream. Years of experience: 0 to 4 years maximum. Strong analytical ability skills is required. Strong written communication skills is required. Experience in technical support background. Strong knowledge or experience in scripting, HTML, XPath, XML and SQL is required. Notice period should not be more than 2 months. Candidates who have attended the interview in last 6 months are not eligible to appear for this role. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for associate digital process role. Job highlights: 0 to 2 years of experience required, location Chennai, salary 2,25,000 per annum. Note: this is a permanent or fixed term contract for 9 months. Job description: the associate will need to understand different operational techniques to ensure attention to detail. Accuracy of processing is utmost importance, followed by speed. The associate will need to deliver results that meet or exceed expectations and should be able to perform root cause analysis on errors and recommend process improvements to drive process efficiency. Key performance areas: gain a thorough understanding of a business and operational area, identify, analyze and resolve repetitive issues, ensure all process documents are managed and updated. Eligibility criteria: any graduate, work experience 0 to 2 years maximum, strong communication skills and analytical ability, should be willing to work in fixed term contract role for 9 months. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. Amazon is hiring for SPS associate role. Job highlights: 0 to 5 years of experience required, 50 vacancies, location Delhi, salary 2,25,000 to 3,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the seller support associate demonstrate end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provide exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants, including the appropriate escalation of seller issues. Basic qualification: bachelor degree in any stream with 0 to 5 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. Along with English, some roles also require communicating in Hindi or Telugu or Tamil or Kannada. Shifts: the job involves working in 24/7 environment, including night shifts and shifts that are decided based on business requirement. Amazon is virtually hiring for TRMS role. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required, 100 vacancies, location Hyderabad, salary 3 lakh to 3,75,000 per annum. Roles and responsibilities: demonstrated ability to work independently and make complex investigation decisions with little to no guidance. Excellent problem solving skills. Demonstrated ability to analyze problems logically. Strong time management and organizational skills is required. Eligibility criteria: graduation and above. Excellent written and spoken communication skills is required. Flexible to work in night shifts and staggered week offs. Amazon is hiring for seller partner support role. Job highlights: 0 to 4 years of experience required. Location Kolkata. Salary 2,75,000 to 4 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: the seller support associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Demonstrate effective, clear and professional written and oral communication. Provides prompt and efficient service to Amazon sellers and merchants, including the appropriate escalation of sellers' issues. Maintain a positive and professional demonstrator, always portraying the company in a positive light and effectively managing sensitive issues. Basic qualification: bachelor degree in any stream with 0 to 4 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication in English. Shifts: the job involves working in 24/7 shifts, including night shifts and the shifts that are decided based on business requirement. Interested candidates can directly apply from the link which I have provided in the description. That's all for today. If you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you all. As I said earlier, please share this video as much as possible so that it will reach the maximum people who are in need of job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more video updates. Thank you for watching.